Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to continue doing Algebra 2 Regent for January 2020, and we are on the fourth part. The fourth part is talking about SARS fighting a sinus function, and here doctor prescribed a nasal spray and an antibiotic to fight the infection. The active ingredient in milligrams remain in the bloodstream from the nasal spray by function NET and the antibiotic for by function AT and are modeled in the function period where t is a time since the medication were taken. Determine which drug made with the greater initial amount. Greater initial amount means they started by t equal to 0. So I have to find n0, which is 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 5 plus 18 over 0 plus 0 plus 15, which is 1.4. And I have to find a0, which is 9 over 0 plus 3, which is 3. So the initial amount for the antibiotic is more than the initial amount for the nasal spray. Okay, now for the second part, Sarah doctors told her to take both drugs at the same time. Determine algebraically the number of hours after taking the medication when both medication will have the same amount of active ingredient remaining in. So now I'm going to do the two equation equal to each other to solve it algebraically. So I'm going to write here the equation. So t plus 1 over t plus 5 plus 18 over t square plus att plus 18, sorry, at plus 15 equal to 9 over t plus 3. Okay, now if you observe it, t plus 3 times t plus 5 is going to give me the middle term. So I multiply by the least common denominator, which is t plus 5 multiplying by t plus 3. So I'm going to get t plus 1 times t plus 5. I'm multiplying the whole equation plus 18 equal to 9 multiplying by t plus 5. I'm going to FOIL and distribute, so 2 square plus 4t plus 3 plus 18 equal to 9t plus 45. Now I'm going to make them on one side, so t square minus 5t and 45 minus 21 is going to be 24 equal to 0. So I end up by t square minus 5t minus 24 equal to 0. That's going to come up by 8 and 3 because the difference is 5 plus equal to 0. So t equal to negative 3. I reject this one because time cannot be negative, and t equal to 8. So after 8 hours, the concentration for both are going to be the same. Hopefully you understood. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.